In this session, we'll be discussing about how to record some tables in slave related. Okay. Here normally how you can able to see slave whether it is running or not, we can give slave like info like that, we can give that. With help of slave monitoring tool, you can see whether it is updating or not based on the master position numbers. Okay, you can see some example. Here I am using demo table. In this we have a table E10. Here I am inserting some records, values 6 already we have 7 comma uh, Kiran, something like that. I updated. Okay, now you can see normally demo select star from E10. Okay, it has been updated. Means, see for example, if I want to see position numbers, show master status. The position number is bin 6 and position number is 680. How you can able to see in this slave server? You can see show slave status slash G. You can find out here 6 position number, the position this one is 680. Okay, normally it is recording like this. Suppose if you want to collect the info in a table, okay, we have a tables in MySQL database. The tables are, these are the tables. See here, master. If you want to see any master related info, you can see in the table. See here, it's empty. Select star from relay log information. What are the things it has to travel here, right? That info, if you want to see that, you can go with relay log info. But here it says empty. Okay, for this, if you want to record this data, whatever the things it is updated in master, you have to set the parameters in your config file. Okay, exit vi my config file, go here. There is couple of different parameters are there. See, this is the master info file parameter need to be updated, and one more parameter is relay log table. What are the relay log info? It has to be record there. Okay, and last parameter is not required. Suppose if there is any this one, if there is any log related recovery it should require, means you can enable that. Okay, right now it's not required for us. Just restart the server, slave server. Okay, it's restarted. Okay, use demo. You want to update any table, you can update it. Okay, whatever you want to update, you can update here. Insert a record here. I am inserting. Okay, record is some 8th record. What is the position number? Show master status, you can give. The position number is 6, file number is 6, position number 946, whatever something it is updated. Now select star from E10. Yeah, it is updated. Fine. Go to that MySQL database, select star from. We need to remember, if you don't know, you can give show tables, select star from slave master info. See, it is started recording. Whatever the thing is, whatever master related info, it is storing in this one. Okay, bin 6 680 like this. Suppose one more relay related information also you can here, this one, select star from relay log information also it is recorded. From now onwards it will keep on recording. Okay, thank you.